Hello. Good morning to you. I'm gonna start off the morning with some pancakes. I'm hungry. And I graduate tomorrow. Oh gosh. I'm nervous and excited at the same time. Oh my gosh, I'm just really nervous. But I'm gonna make these pancakes and I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. Yum. I can't believe I'm graduating tomorrow. I hope the rain stops or is light, barely any rain, when the ceremony actually starts. And then after it'll be sunny. Say hi! Do you want 4 pancakes or 3? You better eat it then. Woo, it's hot! Yeah, I know. Good morning, Chad. Those pancakes were good. Chad. Loser. Okay, while he does that, I'm gonna actually be productive and do some laundry and... Hey, you still haven't picked up good crap. Having some progress on the laundry. I just folded another load. I'm waiting for the other ones. I also was editing a video that I recently just uploaded. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And then tomorrow is going to be fun-filled with lots of video, because I'm giving this camera to Mike and he's going to take over from there and just record everything. I told him everything. So let's see if he records everything. We shall see. And then let's see what's going on in here. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
I got you my
I've got 2 so far.
Hi, Jack. Oh, there's Chad. You guys, come out. Stop being cowards. And we are watching... Cam, what movie is this?
Huh?
What movie is this?
Yeah.
What movie is it?
Huh?
What movie is it?
Baby movie.
It's the baby movie. It's one of those days where it rains. I'm getting hungry. It's time for lunch. Are you hungry? That's not a meal. And editing. Finishing it up. I think I have one more thing to edit. I just like hearing the rain, you know? That's like a relaxing sound to it. Whereas we have this going on. That little guy. Fun! Rainy days are so much fun. Right, Mike? Hey, Mike, what'd you get?
The missing parts to my moped.
Yay! High five!
Sweet, sweet, sweet deal.
On the other one, the blue one. You haven't seen
They
it
haven't
yet.
seen it yet.
He has a blue one, which is maybe I'm gonna ride it.
Shows
then-
my excitement.
And then
Are you done with this?
he's been riding on the red one that you saw. This is exciting!
Sweet deal.
High five. Save me from the chicken! Back! Let me see the chicken. This is such a weird contraption.
I picked the hee-haw. I picked no, you picked the hee-haw.
This isn't pictures, it's a video.
I picked the hee-haw veil.
You want to take a video?
Yeah.
Here, it's already recording. Just hold it.
I
Just hold it. Don't click the button. Whoa. Can I see that?
Huh?
Can I see it? You want to take pictures instead?
Huh?
You want to take pictures instead?
Pictures the hee-haw.
Applesauce is the favorite food in the world, besides mac and cheese. The chicken will get you. Eat your applesauce or the chicken will get you. I didn't say put down the spoon. Oh, you're drinking it. Okay. Oh! 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 There you go. What, you think the chicken likes applesauce?
Yeah.
Bleh! Bleh! No, it's okay. Oh, clean it off. Oh, you got, oh, you rebel.
I tap it.
Okay. Don't put it in there though. You want the chicken to finish it. Oh, the chicken doesn't like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cake is to bite the fat